Hi, and welcome to the Sektor Malaysia channel. Today we will be unboxing and setting up the Newland MT67. Running on Android 11.0, the MT67 is using a high-performance 2.0 GHz octa-core 64-bit processor to provide quicker data process and smoother operation. It's specially designed for logistics, warehouse and other industry fields, and it is built rugged and durable. Let's open the box and see what we get inside. In it, we get the main unit MT67, a quick start guide, battery, AC adapter, EU and UK plug adapters, a Type-C cable and the hand strap. Let's install the 4800 mAh battery. To remove the back cover, slide to lock to the right and slide the battery in. Replace the cover and secure the lock. The power button is the first button on the right side, and on the left is the microSD slot. On the top is the scan window with illumination. And on the back there is a 13-megapixel camera and flashlight. The USB-C charging port is at the bottom. Just to show you what the microSD and SIM card slots look like. It can take a maximum 128 GB SD. To turn on the unit, all you gotta do is hold the top right button and the setup screen will come on to guide you through the setup like any mobile device. Choose your language and mobile network setup. If there is a SIM card, it will connect to the mobile network, or you can connect through Wi-Fi. Let's try the scanner out. The MT67 can scan both 1D and 2D. We are going to test it out on this damage code first. Equipped with Newland's 5th generation technology, the new NLS MT67 can decode even poorer quality barcodes. And now with this one decodes. Scanning can be done on the left or right yellow button on the sides. And also on the middle yellow button. There is also a flashlight function. The rear has a 13-megapixel camera with autofocus. Next, we are going to install the hand strap and the charger. The charger supports fast charging. A red indicator will show that it is charging. Here are some specifications of the Newland MT67. Thank you for watching. More information can be found in the description box down below. Subscribe today for more upcoming videos.